Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's see what's cooking on the barbecue. There we go. I wonder if that's a little too hot. Let me know in the comments. Got some differential bearings cooking. I'll give it another 5-10 minutes. Let me put you on hold. Alright everybody, welcome back. Got the bearings out the barbecue. We're going to see if this go on now. Take a look. Ooh, slid right on there. Slid right on there, everybody. Hope y'all can see this. Alright, slid right on there, everybody. Anybody else use this method? Slid right on there. I went and bought the new pump and everything for the press. This come out just fine. Now, the axles. And we got disc brakes on in here. Got the calipers. Aerospace. Alright everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Just a short video on what I'm going to do to the back end of the Mustang. Seeing I got the parts. This. These are the brackets. 430 gear. New bearings. Strange spool. Alright everybody. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think.